So, good morning everyone. Here's the video presentation of the three natural inclination of the human person of Saint Thomas Aquinas. First is the self-preservation, second is yung just dealing with others, and third is yung propagation of species. Self-preservation. Okay, the first natural inclination of the human person is self-preservation. According to Saint Thomas, as rational beings, we have a basic natural obligation to protect our own lives and health. Therefore, putting ourselves in danger or causing harm to ourselves is considered wrong. We have a natural inclination to preserve ourselves, and as a result, we have a duty not to unnecessarily put ourselves in jeopardy as it goes against our nature and is therefore immoral. Furthermore, any action that promotes health, vigor, and vitality is considered natural and morally good according to nature standards. Ayon dito kay Saint Thomas, obligasyon natin na alagaan, protektahan at ingatan ang ating mga sarili. Kung kaya't ang paglagay natin sa ating sarili sa panganib o kapahamakan ay tinuturing na mali. Meron tayong ligas na pagnanais na protektahan ang ating sarili. Bilang resulta nito, meron tayong tungkulin na hindi ipahamak ang ating mga sarili nang walang dahilan. Example nito is yung kapag nagugutom ka, imbis na tiisin mo yun or kung nag-iipon ka man, no choice ka, bumili ka na lang ng pagkain para hindi ka na rin magkasakit tulad ng ulcer. Another example is yung kapag may nararamdaman ka ng masakit sa katawan mo or mali sa katawan mo, wag mo nang patagalin ito, baka lumala pa. Instead, pakonsulta ka na lang agad sa doktor. So, second is yung just dealing with others. The second natural inclination of the human person is just dealing with others. As rational beings, we have the capacity to reason and empathize with others, leading us to treat them with dignity and respect. Therefore, subjecting others to indignities, degradations, and inhuman treatment is contrary to human nature. Any form of mistreatment or harm inflicted upon fellow human beings is considered to be inherently evil and goes against the natural inclination towards just and fair treatment. Recognizing and adhering to this natural inclination aims to maintain harmony and moral development of individuals and society as a whole. According dito kay Saint Thomas, bilang isang rasyonal na mamamayan, may kakayahan tayo na umunawa o makiramdam sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao. At dahil dito, natutulak tayo na tratuhin sila ng may paggalang, respeto at dignidad. Example nito is may dalawang estudyante, si Pio at si Pierre. Katatapos lang nilang magklase sa termo, si Pio is sobrang naintindihan niya yung mga tinuro sa termo, pero yung kay Pierre naman is medyo nahirapan siya na intindihin yung mga tinuro. So, naglakas loob si Pierre na tanongin si Pio if pwede ba niya ipaliwanag yung mga tinuro sa termo. So, ito namang si Pio, imbis na sabihan na bobo tong si Pierre, tinuruan niya kasi nauunawaan niya yung pakiramdam na nahirapang intindihin yung tinuro. The last one is the propagation of species. The third natural inclination of the human person is the propagation of the species. This inclination forms the basis for the union between a husband and wife. According to this principle, the reproductive organs are inherently designed to ensure the reproduction and continuation of the human species. Therefore, any intervention or action that frustrates or hinders the purpose of the reproductive organs is considered unnatural and consequently immoral. This includes practices or methods that deliberately prevent or interfere with the natural process of reproduction. Using contraceptives, for example, goes against the inherent purpose of the reproductive organs and undermines the natural inclination towards propagating the species. Saint Thomas Aquinas believed that such actions are contrary to the natural order and the proper functioning of human nature. So that's all for the threefold natural inclination of the human person. Thank you.